He's learning spelling with Texas Instruments Speak and Spell.
Rain. R-A-I-N. That is correct.
She's teaching her brother with Speak and Spell.
H-E-R. That is right.
They're learning new words with Speak and Spell. But don't tell them they're learning. They just think they're having fun. Speak and Spell for words, Speak and Read for stories, Speak and Math for numbers. From Texas Instruments, they make learning fun.
Once a child wants to spell, the spell is cast. Speak and Spell from Texas Instruments.
That is correct.
With snap-in modules with hundreds more words for growing minds.
You are right.
Speak and Spell, part of a family of products for richer tomorrows from the Learning Center of Texas Instruments.
Children love showing off good grades, and they're entitled. It's hard work. But with Speak and Math from Texas Instruments, it isn't all work and no play. Speak and Math's fun activities and 3 levels of difficulty motivate kids
That's right.
to learn at their own pace, from basic math to decimals.
That's correct.
No, we can't promise A's, but if we can help your child do better in math, it's worth a try. Speak and Math from Texas Instruments.
Texas Instruments makes learning easy and fun. Speak and Spell actually talks to help increase spelling skills, and it's now just $49.97 at McDade's. Speak and Read also talks to help improve reading ability, and McDade's has it priced now at just $64.90. Special gifts at McDade's kind of star special savings.
This is Speak and Spell from Texas Instruments.
O-O-U-R.
Spell with it,
That is correct.
keep score,
9,
play
correct.
mystery words, and more. And now there's Speak and Maths too.
36 divided by 9. 4.
Speak and Spell, Speak and Maths, Little Professor from Texas Instruments. Make learning more fun than games.
That is correct. W-V-U-A-M-E. That is incorrect. The correct spelling of nuisance is N-U-I-S-A-N-C.
They're pulling us up.